Welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week with AutoMobility Store. I am your host, Greg, and today I'm wanting to talk about, and this is brand new, just came out. I just made a product video up here, one of these sides, but I wanted to make it my scooter of this week because I'm absolutely impressed by this. So if you're familiar at all with the Buzz Around Carry-On, this is kind of Pride Mobility's version of that. So it's the GoGo Super Portable by Pride Mobility. But there's some advantages, I believe, over the Buzz Around Carry-On. One of it being you don't have to remove the seat to get the super lightweight, like the Carry-On becomes very light once you remove the seat. With this one, you don't have to. So fold it up without the battery. Your heaviest piece, the whole unit, is 41.6 pounds. Collapses as high as it's only 12 inches when it's folded up. You can tuck them under a bed. These are kind of designed like for cruise ships. If you need something really compact, something you could just fold away and put away. So this scooter will give you a 300-pound weight capacity, 10 miles per charge. Which is pretty good. My favorite thing, and they're just introducing this, and as far as I've heard, this is going to be added on to future scooters, but it's their Charge 360 technology. So if you're familiar with charging scooters, they typically have the XLR cable. You have to put it into the connection and just find that sweet spot until you actually get the charger in. This one's magnetic now. So you just put it up to it no matter which direction it's in. It magnetizes, really strong magnet, and it's got an indication light on that charger, so you know right away that you've made connection. So that I'm looking forward to on newer scooters down the road, but this one comes equipped with that Charge 360 technology. Yeah. They come available in black or mint color. I did the video in the mint. I thought it stood out, but the black is just as beautiful. It comes with a nice little front storage bag. So yeah, the GoGo Super Portable by Pride Mobility. Definitely check it out if you can. And for more details on this, give us a call at AutoMobility Store, 1-800-431-3183.